Good afternoon, John here. Well, I put a coat. I sanded and put a coat of poly on there. It's a little wet. It's kind of shiny. I'll sand it and put a couple more coats. But there it is. Everything I do is kind of crazy these days. But that was just the legs were the hickory bows that my son and his buddies, when they were small, made into bow and arrows. Like, I just couldn't part with them, so I figured I'd make a little table. And then this was just kind of a thin slice from the sawmill on a log I'd had cut way back when. It's nice and lightweight. I figure it'll be kind of a little outside table on the deck or around the fire or something. But you can see the height. I think it's about 20 inches high. It's about a little taller than I made tons of these things over the years. Got the JK there. This one here was I used to have out on the job site. You can see all the little saw marks, like for cutting with a jigsaw or handsaw or whatever. Plus it's a little break time table, stool, I guess you'd call it. It's got the little walnut wedges, hold it together. But yeah, so anyhow, there it is. Here, let me put it down on the ground. Put it over here. Yeah, you can see it. It's different. Yeah, but you can see how that grain kind of, well, it's a sapwood, and then sapwood, and then there was a little burl. It didn't turn out quite as nice as I'd hoped, but you never know until you sand it down. But it doesn't look too bad. Yeah, it's about as crazy as this thing was. Where I got that's a beaver. I found that floating in the river. A beaver had chewed it, and I made it into like a little plumb bob. And what it's on there is I had two cats, and these were I had cushions on these platforms, and then they would scratch their claws. It was kind of a claw, and then I've got it on wheels. So, and that's I think an elm limb. Now I have a bunch of cords hanging from it, but that was the cat pole. So, it was just a crazy little project. But anyhow, you all have a good one. God bless.